Hello everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to use Jira as part of the Collab Tools services. If you would like to see the other Collab Tools in action, you can check out the Collab Tools playlist by following the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Jira is a common project management tool used for planning, tracking, releasing, and supporting software. Now, we all know and love Jira, or more accurately, we all know Jira, and through the Collab Tools, you can authenticate into Jira via Arcus. To do so, sign into Arcus, and once you're on the landing page, you'll see the Jira tile under the Cloud Services section. If you do not see this tile, please reach out to our support team. But if you do see it, go ahead and click on it, and Jira will open in another tab. And if you've already done the basic account setup, you'll see your system dashboard here, including the activity stream, which shows you what your team has been up to, and then the issues assigned to you. I don't have any issues assigned to me right now, so let's go ahead and change that. First, I'll need a project. McClure demo looks good. Next, I'll create an issue. Produce Jira tutorial. And now that I have an issue, give it a priority. Let's bump it up to medium. Next, I'll add a new tag to denote that this is a YouTube tutorial. And then I'll assign the issue to myself. You can track your issues up here, along with your team's boards, plans, emails, so on. And to log out, hover over the profile icon and select Log Out. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. But in the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.